So when you open up the box, this is what you'll get. You get a manual and extra instructions and pamphlet thingies. Put them aside. You get extra ear tips, a large and a medium, and also this, if I had to score, I would say this is very poor. You don't just put the ear tips like this, but hey, let's move on. And we have the JLab GO Pods active noise cancelling earbuds and the case. Now the first thing that will just catch your eye is the proprietary cable that is here for charging. It's attached to the case. You can take it out right there. That's the first thing that comes to mind, that comes to your eye when you see it. I'm not very convinced about these because there've been other earbuds, other brands I've talked about. I'm not very comfortable with this because if anything happens to this, you cannot charge this earbud. You cannot charge them wirelessly. So if this breaks, you will just have to buy another one, even if the earbuds are working. So I think that is just not a good design. But hey, maybe other people like it that way. But for me, I don't know. I don't like this. But hey, let's move on. All right, the earbuds are very the case, very light, very lightweight. Matte finish, no fingerprint magnet. You've got the logo here. You've got the charging and indicator lights right there. You've got a reset button on the side. And yeah, that's about it. And a battery cable at the bottom. And we have the JLab logo on the top. No, in front, and the JLab name on the top. Yeah. All right, let's pop this open, see what it looks like. All right, nothing crazy, typical JLab design. Let's take these off, and let's take these off. There we go. All right, like I said, typical JLab design, nothing crazy. We've got charge plates right there. The charge pins are in there, the right and the left. Nothing crazy. This is a short stem, not long stem. That's good. The short stem also helps with the way it's when you put these on. When you put these on, the short stem also helps with the fit. So this is really cool. Very soft ear tips. Very soft. It's nice. We've got the JLab logo right here. I'm guessing that same spot is where will be the touch control. So yeah. That's about it. I like the finish too. It's a mixture of a shiny surface and a matte finish. I like the mix. It's cool. All right. Okay. Nothing extraordinary. Like I said, nothing special. Just like every other short stem earbud design. But let's see how this fits. Yes, let's go. Now let us do a pairing exercise and see how easy it is to pair. First of all, you bring your device. No. First of all, let's put this back in the case. Like I said, just follow the system. It works every time. Put this back in the case so we can restart the earbuds. That's cool. We'll take them out. We flip the lid, first of all, and give it some time to connect to each other. I think that's enough time. Now let's go to our Bluetooth settings. Here we go, and see if we can find it on our Bluetooth. We can't seem to find it, so that would mean that just flipping the lid is not enough for you to find it. So what you do, you take it out of the case, and let's see if we can find it again. There we go, and it's paired. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now we got to understand that sometimes some earbuds, all we have to do is just flip the lid and it pairs up. Yeah, that's the Google thingy. So let's go. Some earbuds, all you have to do is to just flip the lid and you'll find it and the Bluetooth can find it. And other earbuds, you cannot find it. You have to take out the Bluetooth from the case for you to be able to get a connection. That's what we just did right now. So try both and see which one works. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't, but it is a design thing. It's not a thing that has to do with your phone. It's just a design. All right, we've already done the pairing for these, and let us go to the app right now and see what the app has to offer. All right, I use this a lot, so I already have the app on my phone, the JLab app. But if you don't have it, what you can do is look here in the manual right here, At the back of it, it's got a QR code. You can just scan the QR code and it will take you to where you can download it. Maybe you will download the files from your Play Store. It might take you to your Play Store, or maybe an APK file place site or something, and then you can just download the app, run it, and you'll be good. All right, I already have it on my phone, so I'm just gonna call it on. I'm just gonna get it out here. JLab. There we go. All right, it's picked it up immediately. Like it's already been paired. So all you have to do is just open the app and it picks up everything immediately. Easy peasy. You don't have to do anything. Now on the app we have the left and the right and the case battery indicators. So just in case you're wondering how much battery power you have, just look at the app. You'll find it. Now let's look at the noise control modes. It's got here. It's got noise cancelling off. We've got be aware mode, noise cancelling on. If you've used all these earbuds these days, we all know what the be aware mode is. It means you're still just making you know what's going on around you, so you still get the outside noise coming in, so nothing special. We all know what that is. Interval timer. Now this is how long you want the timer. You can set the timer on the earbuds for when you want to turn it off, and if you're not using it all the time, you can set the timer on it and all that stuff. And also you can also use it for your workout session. So that's what that's for. Equalizer settings. Now this is the important part, right? This is where we get to see what are the sound features we can get. Now here we have the equalizer. This is on the JLab signature. Let's see if we can, what other apps we have. We have equalizer 2, equalizer 3. So we've got just 3 options and a custom option. All right, I like the fact that we have a custom option, but just 3 options. I mean, just 3 presets. That's crazy. That's just the bass boost, and we've got the balanced, and we've got the JLab signature. Just those 3 and a custom option. Okay, custom option is cool because that means you have to set up your own sound settings the very way you want it to be. That is cool. But I don't think I like the fact that all you get are 3 presets. That's just crazy. All right, let's move on. Touch control. Yeah, this is where you set up the controls for the earbuds the way you want them to be, the way you can remember. So when you go 3 taps or 2 taps or 1 tap, what you want it to be right there. We've got a music mode and we've got a movie mode. Now these are just sound settings also. Basically it's like a default setting when it comes to if you want to listen to music or movies. Yeah, I don't really use that much, but hey, I suppose, you know, people are different. Here we go. We have a safe hearing. Now this determines how much of the sound you want this thing to be blasting out of. You can go full power, or you know, you can control how much sound you hear for your ear's sake. Anyways, these are just extra options that you might want to use or don't use. Doesn't make a difference. Settings, we have device troubleshooting, we have contact JLab support, languages, device registration, light or dark mode. Okay, these are just, you know, the usual things. So okay, what I would say is this, right? I don't like the fact that all we get are 3 sound presets that we have here. I don't like that, but the fact that it's got an option for you to set your own equalizer settings, I think that's a plus. I think the app has got just some necessary options here. They just cramped necessary things into it. Nothing special, nothing crazy, nothing AI, none of the other stuff, of the Bluetooth. Just give you exactly the things that you need to have a good experience. So what I'll do is this, right? I'm gonna use this for 7 days, for a week, and then I'll come back and tell you if these options are satisfactory or something I think they can change or improve on. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like and share. If this is your first time here, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when we put out a new video. If there's something you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Until next time, take care.